Hey everyone, welcome to Manifold AI Learning. I'm Nachiketh, founder of Manifold AI Learning. First of all, I'm happy to have you here. You may have joined us through a free demo, a YouTube video, a webinar, or one of our accelerator program, an AI career lab, or an Agentic AI bootcamp. Now, wherever you are starting from, I want you to understand one thing clearly. Manifold AI learning is not built for people who only want to collect the AI tool names. It is built for serious learners who want to understand how AI is actually used, built, explained, and applied in real work. You may hear many terms in the AI space like LLMs, RAG, agents, Claude Code, Cursor, MCP, evals, observability, production AI, forward deployed engineer, agentic AI. But the goal is not to chase every new term, but the goal here is to build the clarity. What should I learn first? What should I build? How do I explain my project? How do I prepare for interviews? How do I move from learning mode to application mode? How do I think like a serious AI engineer? That is what we are trying to help you with here. At Manifold AI Learning, we have different learning paths depending on your current stage. If you're starting your builder journey and want to learn tools like Claude Code, Cursor, Python, MCP, agents, and AI builder workflows in a structured way, you can explore our Claude Code and AI Builder Lab. Now, this is specifically for the learners who want to stop randomly trying the tools and start building the small, practical AI powered application with proper workflow. Now, if your goal is career readiness, resume positioning, job description understanding, and interview preparation, you can actually explore our AI Career Lab. This AI Career Lab is our weekly live application lab where we take a real AI, Gen AI, and Agentic AI job description and break it down. We look at as what the role is actually asking for, how to map your resume, how to explain your AI projects better, and how to answer in an interview style questions with more structure. This is where learning starts becoming job readiness. So if you want the focused deep dives into specific topics, you can also explore our accelerator programs. So these are the practical programs which are around the area such as agentic AI interview preparation, the NVIDIA certification, production RAG, AI evals, AI architect system design, AI code review. So these are all the various skill sets which are important and the practical oriented accelerator programs that we have got. The goal of these accelerators is to help you to go deeper into one important area and build stronger clarity. And if you want the full deep implementation path, you can also explore our Agentic AI Enterprise Mastery Bootcamp. Now, this bootcamp is for serious learners who want to move from AI tool awareness to production style agentic AI system building capability. So, inside this bootcamp, we actually focus on rack system, tools, agents, async workflows, evals, observability, guardrails, and deployment thinking, and more importantly, the production style architecture. This is the deeper path for learners who want to understand the AI as systems, not just demos. Now, no matter which path that you are part of, I want you to use this community properly. Do not silently consume everything. Ask questions. You can post your questions in the video comments, or you can also reach our support team. Share what you're learning. Share your project progress. If you're part of AI Career Lab or Bootcamp or the ones which includes the live session, attend the live session whenever possible. Watch the recordings with focus. Take the notes. Implement small things. Rewrite your project explanation. Improve your resume bullets. Practice your answers. This AI learning becomes valuable when you convert it into the output. One project, one better explanation, one clearer resume bullet, one stronger interview answer, one working workflow, and one deployed application. That's how your progress compounds. And also, Do not compare your journey with someone else. Some of you may already be engineers. Some may be moving from testing, support, data, DevOps, cloud, or non AI background. Some may already know the Python, and some may be starting fresh. And that's okay, guys. The important thing here is to keep moving with structure. Now, our belief is very simple: system ship, demos don't. A demo can create an excitement, but the systems create the confidence. So while you're here, don't just ask as which tool should I learn? Ask better questions. What problem am I actually solving? What workflow am I improving? What data does the AI need? What can fail? How do I evaluate it? How do I explain it? How do I make this useful? That is the mindset that we want to build here. Once again, welcome to Manifold AI Learning. Start with the resources that is shared with you in this course. Check the pinned messages or the portal instruction. Join the relevant sessions and choose the path that fits your current stage. If you are here to learn seriously, build consistently, and convert your AI learning into real capability, you are in the right place. Welcome again. So let's build with clarity. System ship, demos don't. This is Nachiketh Murthy. I'll see you next time.